This full HD video shows some great alternative programs that are easy to install and use, and being for Linux, they are free. Office 365 costs $159 Australian dollars a year. LibreOffice gives free equivalents to Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. Adobe Photoshop costs $34 Australian dollars a month on an annual plan. Faststone Image Viewer will do most of what you want for free. Chrome browser is fine if you don't mind being tracked for everything you look at. Firefox has extensions to block tracking and annoying ads. An antivirus program will probably be installed on your new computer, but after 30 days you will have to pay about 76 Aussie dollars a year for McAfee or Norton antivirus programs. Adobe Premiere Pro is available by subscription for about 40 Australian dollars a month, while Kdenlive is free. Windows Media Player is fine, but it doesn't play many movie formats, and it can't boost the sound using the mouse wheel like VLC can. File Explorer is a basic File Explorer program. Double Commander is a more versatile two-pane File Explorer. NordVPN is good, but will cost you about 200 Aussie dollars a year. Other options like Proton VPN or the VPN in Opera browser are free. Microsoft Edge can edit PDFs, but it also spies on everything you do on your computer. Ocular is just a PDF editor, which is just what you want. Everything is a great free program for finding all types of files on your Windows computer. Fortunately, F-Search can do the same on a Linux computer. Windows comes with a built-in file compression tool, but it only works on zip files. 7-zip can create or extract zip files, and a dozen other zip type files. Both programs provide extensive details of the operating system and specifications of hardware fitted to your computer. If you like this video, check out my PC Techtips and Linux Mint YouTube channels. Links are in the description below this video. Also forward the YouTube URL of this video to your friends. And to be notified of my future videos, subscribe to Greatest Suggestions.